In this video, we will see how to safely dismantle the Msafe stairway scaffolding. First, unlock and remove both guardrails. Then, one by one remove the toe boards attached to all sides. Next, unlock and take out the guardrail frames. Now, the worker needs to come down the platform to the stairs and remove the top handrail. Stand on the stairs and unlock and remove the hinged platform. Then, unlock and remove the plain platform. Also, unlock and remove the stairway. Now, remove the attached diagonal brace. Along with that, remove both horizontal braces. After separating the frames, unlock and remove the wheels from each frame one by one. And in this way you can safely dismantle the Msafe stairway scaffolding completely. Now keep all the parts together in one place. As you can see, if you store the scaffolding parts properly, you can store all the parts in a very small place. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell button next to it so that you can receive notifications for upcoming videos.